United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 140. Benefit of mankind. 1. Activities in the area shall, as specifically provided for in this part, be carried out for the benefit of mankind as a whole, irrespective of the geographical location of states, whether coastal or landlocked, and taking into particular consideration the interests and needs of developing states and of peoples who have not attained full independence or other self-governing status recognized by the United Nations in accordance with General Assembly Resolution 1514 of 15, and other relevant General Assembly resolutions. 2. The authority shall provide for the equitable sharing of financial and other economic benefits derived from activities in the area through any appropriate mechanism, on a non-discriminatory basis, in accordance with Article 160, paragraph 2 f. I.